Steps, no particular order right now. The first one we have is the basic. In the basic, we said that for the ladies, we want to reach from the thighs back, and for the guys, we want to make sure that we move not just the foot, not just the chest, but so that we can move from the center and glide across the floor. So the very basic step, ladies are a little bit adjusted left, and we go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and one more time, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Next step that we did was the rock step. And for the rock, progressive rocks, we rotate a little bit. So we're going to start a little bit on this angle. We said that we can do the rock step forward in one straight line, but that doesn't always feel so comfortable. So what we're going to do is we're going to start rotating the basic, slow, slow. The next step is going to be a crisscross rock. Rock, rock, rock. The next step is between the ladies' legs, side, 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 and tango close. Final step, we have the open box with a closed ending. This one we have to start a little bit on an angle, so not exactly straightforward, but a little bit angled. We are going to go a lot of rotation in the first two steps. We're going to go quick, quick, and very slowly, outside partner, slow. One more time, so we're going to go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. At the end we close. Ladies, right foot is available. And then guys, left foot is available, and then we can restart with whatever step we want right here.